Have you been wondering how to reprogram your subconscious mind? Well, in today's video, I'm going to talk all about that. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Candice, and I'm so thankful to have each and every one of you watching today's video. In today's video, we are talking about the subconscious mind and how we can reprogram it to create anything we want in our lives. The subconscious mind really builds your manifestation into your reality. So we're going to dive into all of this. But before we get started, hit that like button so I know you're ready. Okay, let's get started. So the subconscious mind is the program mind, and it's very different from your conscious mind. For an example, I am very cautious of how I'm talking right now because I know I'm being recorded and I want to make sure I'm saying every little detail that I've written down. So that's my conscious mind taking over. But the subconscious mind is the one telling me you're doing great and you can get through this because you've done other videos and you are capable of creating YouTube videos because you've done it in your past and you just keep going. That's my subconscious mind telling me that. So your subconscious mind connected with your cautious mind, that's going to develop your manifestation. So we really need to build our subconscious mind in order to create things that we desire. Our reality may say you cannot afford a home right now, but if we reprogram our subconscious mind saying, I have a home, I have a beautiful home, I live in a beautiful home, I can buy a home if I just put my mind to it, that is our subconscious mind working in our favor. So I thought this was really cool when I found out that our subconscious mind is programmed from when we are born till the age of 7 years old. So 7 years we are developing our subconscious mind. So if you think about, okay, how was I raised? What were the beliefs that I have? Well, those beliefs and those habits that you created during those first to 7 years, they still live within you today. As the adult you are today, you are operating from the habits of other people that you learned when you were 1 to 7 years old. How crazy is that? So I had to think back. How was I raised? How did I feel? What were the cautious things that came to my mind? What were the things that my parents told me that I was? What were the things that other people told me that I was or wasn't? Those are still lingering within me. Our job as adults is to reprogram those subconscious thinkings. Usually those subconscious things are negative, and so that's why we desire to reprogram them. For an example, I was told that I wasn't a good writer. I was told that at a young age. I was told that even past the 7-year gap of the subconscious mind. I was told that in college. I was told that in high school. I remember being told by an adult that I just would never be a good writer. As I got older, I realized that I needed writing skills. I needed writing skills to go into the fashion industry, to be a blogger, to do what I do today. I needed writing skills. So I just started writing what I wanted to write about. And I developed those writing skills to bring abundance in my life. But I had to reprogram my subconscious because my subconscious was telling me, girl, you don't know how to write. Everyone tells you already that you're not a good writer. Why would you want to try? But I had to reprogram myself to believe and desire good writing skills. So with practice, with consistent affirmations every single day, telling myself I can do this, I can write about the things that I love, I am a good writer, I slowly reprogrammed my subconscious. And now, today, I write every single day and people look forward to my writing to post on my blog and my Instagram. This is me redeveloping my subconscious. So if someone were to come up to me today and say, you don't have good writing skills, you're not good at writing, it does not bother me. I don't believe it because I have already reprogrammed my subconscious to believing and knowing that I am a good writer. A way you can reprogram your mind is talking in the present. The mind doesn't know when you say, I can't do something, I'm not capable. It's just saying that you will never be capable. You can't do something. It just listens to what you are saying. So if you start talking in the present tense, I am now able to do exceedingly and abundantly all that I could ever ask or think. If you start speaking like that, you will develop your subconscious mind to create things that you desire, not things that you don't desire. So start saying things in the now. I am now blank, you fill that out. I am now doing amazing things. I am now a marathon winner. I am now an author. I am now a singer, dancer, performer. Whatever you desire, say it in the now, say it in the present. Another key element when reprogramming your subconscious is get into the feelings of how it would feel if you had your desire in your reality. For an example, like I said, I wasn't a good writer. I was told I wasn't a good writer, and I started believing that, but I had to reprogram my subconscious to believe that I was a good writer. What I would do is that when I would write something, I would just feel the feelings of someone telling me that it was really good, that it inspired them, that the things that I was saying was giving them joy and happiness. I would feel those feelings as if it were already happening, as if it were happening in the now. So whatever you desire, ask yourself right now, what do I desire in life? Okay, maybe it's a loving relationship. So I need to get into the feelings of how it would be if I was already in that loving relationship. So how would it feel? I would feel very comforted. I would feel protected. I would be joyful. I would feel content. Okay, those are the things and elements that I need to feel now, even without that in my reality. I need to feel those feelings now, and then the law of attraction attaches with your desire. It aligns with you because it has to match up to your feelings. Whatever you desire has to match up to your feelings. So that's how you are going to redevelop your subconscious mind. And one more thing that I have done to reprogram my subconscious mind is I've done hypnotherapy. Now, hypnotherapy is very powerful and very cool to me. Hypnotherapy was great for me because I needed to go back within my past and figure out what were the areas of my life that made me think negatively about myself today. So hypnotherapy brings you back to those moments, maybe a special event, maybe something that happened to you when you were a child and you had forgotten about. Hypnotherapy really develops you and pushes you back into that scene and makes you think about it, makes you be right there and feel it, feel those feelings and figure out, okay, I remember this is why I started thinking that I wasn't a good writer. I had this and this happen to me. Or, oh my goodness, this is why I don't believe I can have a loving relationship, because this moment when I was 2 years old happened to me and I totally forgot. Your conscious mind may have forgotten, but your subconscious mind never forgets. So that's why it's so important for us to reprogram our subconscious mind so that we can bring everything positive into our lives. And another way to do this is through daily affirmations. If you don't know by now, I post daily affirmations on my Instagram, and I give an affirmation every day because it's so important, so powerful to encourage ourselves and to encourage others. So when you speak things into your life, you speak positivity into your life, you're telling your subconscious, you gotta reprogram because I'm doing the work here. So you write down your affirmations. What do you desire? Okay, I desire a home. I desire to buy a home. I need to affirm that in my life. I am a home owner. I am a speaker. I speak all over the world. I do incredible things. Keep saying those affirmations every single day. Even when you don't believe it, say it, because you're reprogramming your subconscious mind. So when you go out into the world and you're just at the grocery store, you've already forgotten about your affirmation, you're just doing your thing, and someone comes up to you and says, you know what, I actually read something about you. Are you Candice? I would love to have you come into my office and speak, blah, blah, blah. Your affirmations were saying, I am a speaker. I'm a good speaker. The universe, the law of attraction, will attach to what you desire when you reprogram your subconscious mind. Thank you all for watching today's video. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I hope you feel encouraged about reprogramming your subconscious mind. You can do this, and I believe in you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button so that you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations, giving you encouragement every single day of the week. If you learned anything from this video, like this video and comment down below, because I love talking with you all down there. Thank you again for watching, and I love you so much. Have a beautiful day.